Pretty than a mother. Hoes be looking okay. She thinking she fuck with me. Is this okay? He said he ain't f around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
that
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume.
I'm okay. I'm pretty than a mother. Hoes be looking okay.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. As y'all seen by the title, I'm be showing y'all a quick and easy way that I do my fluffy edges. So I already went ahead and curled them, and I'm using Edge Booster. I forget what the name of that spray was, but I showed y'all. But y'all can use any type of holding spray. That's just all I had. And an edge brush. So I'm putting the Edge Booster. Y'all seen I had the littlest amount. I'm putting it just, y'all see where I'm putting it, just right there. I don't put it all throughout because when you combing it, it's going to distribute a little more better. So yeah, y'all see I'm swooping the hairs. I use the bigger comb part. Some people use the brush part, but the comb works better. And y'all see I'm just using my pinky to smooth it down as I'm going. I'm just gonna let y'all watch. None of this is sped up, so this is like real time of how I did my edges.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk inside. I'm in that 80 and one of the two is different prior. I try to pay all your long, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rod. Where I'm from, they serve it so the things. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beat? How the fuck you see so many beats? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in the church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell her, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, I'm feeling don't last.
So now I'm about to take that spray and I'm going to spray it on my finger and I'm going to just put it right at the base. The same part that I put the Edge Booster is where I'm going to put this. And it's just so that it stays down a little better. And then I'm going to spray my fingers with that same spray. And y'all see how I'm like gripping the ends of the edges like where it curls up. I'm doing that to ensure that the curl stays in place and I don't want it like sticking up. So when I put the product on the ends of my hair and press it down, it makes the hair stay in place, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, that's the end result. This is how they came out. I love them so much. Yeah, so if y'all try the way that I did it, make sure y'all let me know in the comments. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye.